destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I wait for you and see.
Hi guys, so I just got back from work and the time is currently 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, okay? And I just decided that I need to like fix my life and get stuff in order. I need to get my laundry out of the way. I need to do my skincare. I need to cook. I need to clean. I just need to, because like my head and everything else has been a mess, a total mess, and I've just been winging it. Like I just wake up and just do my stuff, leave the house, wake up, leave the house, wake up, leave the house. And who lives that way, right? Who lives that way? So that's what it has just been, to be honest. And so today you guys are just gonna do this with me. I figured that if I decide to film it for YouTube, I'll be serious with my life, right? So I'm trying to get out of a funk and just reset, unwind, and just feel like a human being. Because the way I've been working here, you go think say I be Jackie, like an actual donkey. That is what it feels like. Let's just get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, okay? And yeah, let's go do my laundry.
Lonely at the top, lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money, money, money. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular. Try on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chase it for me. Wanna love like a man from my love. But I got to kiss on my love. Everyone select on my love. No, they find anybody, no money I want. No, they hear what the people they talk. Once again, I shall get it till love. There's a life from no one, no get another one. I go take and do it till I love. Waiting you love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. Wait on my love. Love I love me for you. Mr. Honey Ginger. But I know they will start. Mr. Honey Ginger.
Can you hear what I do with my life? Oh? If you know like I play Fatima. Oh, can you hear what I do with my money? If I go broke, I go container. If you're concerned, I'm their manager. Don't worry about me, worry about your airline. Underrated, but I'm still cashing out. It go shock you, say I get money, pass your favorite. Oh, 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 Maji, Shulo, do they spend on your own? Maji, I'm on their own. Oh, 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 Maji, Shulo, do they spend on your own? Maji, I'm on their own. Okay, if you rubbish my talent, no be you I sing for, no be your apartment. I can guess you stay with your mommy and daddy at 35, what body? Okay, if I know win Grammy, I go stay win Grammy. Repete, oh my poor vitamin C, my two vitamin C. Oh, for me, oh, Maji, Sholo, do they spend on your own?
Hi guys, What's good? What's good? What's good? I just got off work like right now, and I have a delivery that is gonna make me so happy, you guys. My camera is coming in today. I have a freaking camera. See, you guys don't understand how much I've been saving to get this shit. Like, each time I save, like, to get a camera, something comes up, and then I don't get it, and I use the money for it to get something else here. Each time, I'm so happy, but it has been delivered. I just need to pick it up, right? And we're going to unbox that together. Like, I am so excited. I can't explain like, I'm so happy. That's about that. So I also had some things coming yesterday, so we're just going to unbox all of that together. First time in like 1 month that I'm seeing the light of day as I go home. Yeah, like, I'm actually seeing the light of day. Like, it's like to 6. Yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock, and I'm going home. Like, I don't take this for granted, and like, God just has his ways of doing things. It's today that my camera is coming, it's today that my camera has come, that I am now going home. Look at God, you guys. So yeah, let's walk home.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be.
Hi guys, so I just got in like 30 minutes ago, and my stuff just arrived. Okay, but first of all, we're gonna unbox this. This is some of the stuff I got yesterday from Temu, and yeah, so I'm gonna open this up. Okay, these are just a bunch of stuff. Some I don't know if I need, and some I do know that I need. Okay, so let me come closer. This is a watch, a smart watch. Don't worry, it's not Apple. I don't have money. Don't have it. I got this mouse for my laptop. It's a wireless mouse, and this is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh yeah, this is the only clothes I got from this whole stuff, and it's a sweater. I mean, like, I'm just gonna show you this. Like, I'm in love. Wow. You guys, look at this. It's so beautiful, and it feels like the texture is good, and it doesn't smell off. Yeah, I was scared when I was buying this thing. No, that's why I didn't buy plenty clothes, because I didn't know what quality to expect. Then I bought this journal. Oh, I bought this dotted journal just for most of the stuff that I need to write, for planning my content and stuff like that. Let me show you guys this light. Oh shit. Shireen already spoiled it. Okay, this came with a manual, then the lights itself. Does it come? Okay. Oh, ooh. Guessing this is where the main stuff I want to see is. Where's the scissors I came in here with? Oh, okay. Right there. So, and I ordered this from Amazon too. If you wanna get one for yourself. camera case. Yeah, I love pink. I'm a pink girl, okay? I love pink. So, and this is not my camera. I mean, this is probably here. Yeah, this is the charger and extra batteries I got, if I'm not mistaken. So I got 3 extra batteries, just because I've heard a lot of people say the battery doesn't last long and blah 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 blah. So I got this. Hey, God, I beg. Okay. So I'm guessing this is the adapter, and these are the batteries, and this is the cord to charge. Yep, this is the cord. And now to the star of the show. Now to the star of the show. God, this video is going on 10 minutes. Come on. Blum, blum. Sorry for screaming, but you guys, God is good. God is good and so kind to me. Nobody can tell me anything. Nobody can do what? Nobody can tell me anything. She come out first. People is real. It's in my hand, like it's my own. It's my own. Okay. So let's. I feel like making a whole video. I feel like making a whole video on unboxing my first camera, and I think this is what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna put tiny little clips here, and then I'm gonna make a whole video. Yeah, this is the Sony ZV-1, and it's for Wendy. It is my own. Well, let's get to the star of the show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Thank you. Yeah. It's mine. It's my own. Okay. We'll see what the other years have for us, right? Anyways, yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. I'll talk to you guys later.